Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ashabi, and today I'll be teaching you how to cut a basic sleeve block. When cutting a basic sleeve block, basically all you'll be needing is scissors, French curve, set square, and ruler with a supply of paper. Now the key measurements you'll be needing for this particular project is bicep, the wrist, elbow length, sleeve length, and arm circumference. If you do not know how to take this measurement, you should check out my video on how to take body measurements correctly. I have a measurement video for sleeves and the arm area, so you should check that video out. It's the description of this video. Now the next thing is to measure about 4 centimeters or 5 centimeters away from the tip of the paper. I like to do that a lot. If you see my video on how to draft a basic bodice pattern, you realize that that's what I do in most of my videos. So I just do that to give me enough space to work with, and in case I'll need to curve things out, it's going to make it really easy. So I'm just going to measure. I actually use 5 centimeters in this video. 5 centimeters in this video. I'm just going to roll that out. That will be like the startup point for my pattern, and I'll be calling that point 0. You can see it, and from 0, we will start with the front and back armhole measurement together. Like we'll add it together and divide it by 3 minus 1 centimeter. The front and back armhole measurement, we'll add it together, divide it by 3 and minus 1 centimeter. So that's the next measurement we will actually be taking to get the bicep area. Now after getting the bicep area, the new area with the measurement, I'll just call that point 1. I like to use numbers because it makes it easy for you to remember what you're doing, and then you don't tend to forget the points you're using to draw the pattern. So now I'm just going to square that one out. Just squared it to the left. That's my left, yes. I just squared it to the left, and now I'm just going to measure from that point 0 and to that left part of it, of the paper, and I'm just going to measure my back armhole measurement. My back armhole measurement, that's what I'm just going to measure there. And in this particular one I used 20.5, and I just measured that, marked it, and I'm just going to connect the line from that point 0 to the new point, and I'm going to call that point 2. Now I'm just going to square that one out and do the same thing that we did on the left side to the right. And then I'll call that one 0.3. It's just 0.3. Now I'm just going to measure from 0.2 to 0.3 and divide it by 2. The measurement I get from there, I'm going to divide it by 2, and I'm just going to pick that point. That will be like the middle of the entire pattern. That's the center and the straight grain. So I'm just going to pick that point and I'm going to square it down and call it 0.4. Now basically what you need to measure is the difference between the cap height and the sleeve length. Then you call it 0.5. After calling that 1.5, I'm just going to measure my half wrist measurement on both sides. I'm just going to put that measurement on both sides right now. and then I'm going to call the one on the left 6 and call the one on the right 7. Now the measurement from point 0 to point 2, we're just going to use that measurement, and then we're going to divide it by 4, and we'll just use it to divide that particular part of the pattern. After dividing it, I'm just going to number the divided parts into 8, 9 and 10. So that way we're going to have 4 sections on that part. Now basically what you need on the left side, we're going to repeat it on the right side. We'll use the measurements on the right side and we'll divide it by 4 like I did on the left side, and I'm just going to connect that point. I'm just going to mark those points and call it 11, 12 and 13. Now basically for me, the next thing is to get the elbow length. We're just going to measure the elbow length and we're going to square it on both sides. We just did that already. And then we're going to get the short sleeve length and we're going to square it on both sides too. For me, how I get my short sleeve length, I basically just subtract 10 centimeters from the elbow length. That's just what I do. So you could just use that 10 centimeters away from the elbow length and you'll be good. So that's just going to be your short sleeve length. I'm just going to roll that out and square it out. Now to shape the sleeve cap or the sleeve head, what you're going to do from the left side, you're going to bring the measurement down on point 8. On point 8 you're just going to bring the measurement down by 0.5 centimeters, and on point 9 you're going to raise it by 0.5 centimeters, and then you're going to raise it on point 10 by 1.5 centimeters. That's what you're going to do from the left side. And then on the right side you're just going to bring the measurement down by 1.8 centimeters from point 11, and then you're going to bring it down again on point 12 by 0.8 centimeters, and you're going to raise it at point 13 by 1.5 centimeters. So at this point basically I'm just going to use the French curve to blend out and to connect the dots. So because that part is not straight and it's not fully curved, so I'm just going to use the French curve for that. So you just need to keep flipping the French curve till it actually like fits the direction of what you're trying to blend out. So it's not as if there's like a particular part, you just keep turning and flipping till you get the exact shape that you want. So now I'm just going to connect from point 2 and point 3 to the wrist area, to the end of the pattern. So I'm just going to connect it to each other, and that's basically all about this. I'm just going to label it the bicep, short sleeve, the elbow length, and that's basically all about it. Then the straight grain, that's the middle, that straight line in the middle, you just put it as a straight grain just for it to help you know that is the center of the sleeve, and that's the only part that is not folding, or it's not curving. So this is basically all about basic sleeve pattern or block. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I love you all.